that she has been getting numerous calls from the hospital, but he ignores her. She then tries to convince him to surrender, claiming that he has gone way too far. However, Milo anticipates her actions and completes her sentences, effectively silencing her. Not long after, Madeline shows him a small plastic horse toy, a reminder from their mother. This makes him feel uneasy, and he walks away, saying that it is irrelevant now. On the other hand, Agent Lee is taken to the hospital for his regular skin checkup. Before entering the burn chamber, he asks Olivia to focus on finding commonalities among the 3 victims. Heeding his instructions, Olivia returns back to headquarters and starts talking to the witnesses of the accidents. After a bit of inspection, she discovers ties between the 3 victims and a medical center. All 3 of them were directly or indirectly related to this center. She shares her discovery with Charlie, and the two immediately head to this very medical center. Upon arriving there, Olivia notices that one set of patients are using the same ballpoint pens, as they are unable to cope with digital devices. iPads make them eye-mad. Later, they meet Dr. Levin, a chief doctor who recognizes all 3 victims of the bus accidents. After briefing them on some details about the victims, Dr. Levin explains that they have been helping mentally challenged patients with experimental processes to boost their intelligence. He also shows them video footage of their patients, in which Olivia spots Milo. Upon inquiring about him, Dr. Levin responds that he is one of their patients, who also went through the same drug trial that boosted his IQ exponentially. He goes on to say that Milo was released from the hospital under supervision of his sister, and that he was scheduled to return back in order to reverse the experimental process. But now, he is not responding to their calls, and he is killing everyone who is trying to take control of him. After learning about Milo's sister, the FBI agents decide to pay her a visit. Unbeknownst to them, Milo is keeping a close eye on Olivia, noting every single pattern of her movements and predicting her next move. Later on, Charlie and Olivia arrive at Milo's place, where they are greeted by Madeline. They ask her about Milo's whereabouts, but she claims to be unaware of them. Sensing that she is hiding something, the agents tell her about the crimes he has committed and how dangerous it is to let him roam free. While Charlie goes to investigate Milo's room, Olivia shares about her late sister, revealing how they used to care for one another. This comforts Madeline enough to share more details about her brother. She explains that Milo is able to predict the outcome of numerous events down to the smallest detail, and that she can break Milo's concentration only by showing him the toy horse. Whenever he sees Bullseye, he gets a Woody. Olivia eventually manages to persuade her to disclose anything she knows, emphasizing that they are concerned for civilians, as well as Milo's safety. Madeline then hands her a note revealing the location of the hotel that Milo is currently staying at. After this, Olivia and Charlie discuss plans with Astrid on how to capture Milo. However, they soon realize that any plan would be futile because he can predict their every move. As a result, they opt to approach the hotel directly without any backup. I don't know how that's going to help, but they know best. In the meantime, Milo is seen at his hotel room, looking down through the window and envisioning scenarios that are going to happen in the next few minutes. With his ability, he predicts that Olivia and Charlie will arrive soon and that they will chase him. He also calculates that he can kill Olivia by luring her through a marked zone of a construction site where the air is too thin and crushing her under a load of cement bricks. Just like he predicted, the 2 FBI agents arrive at the hotel and find Milo waiting for them in the street. He then runs towards the construction while the agents pursue him. Olivia, who is unaware of the warning signs for the thin air zone, races through it instead of stopping to put on a respirator. This actually makes Milo's calculation wrong. He didn't think she'd be that dumb. In addition, she also dodges a pile of cemented bricks which Milo assumed would crush her. The villain is shocked to witness his calculation going wrong and is ultimately caught by her. At this point in time, Olivia nearly asphyxiates herself due to the low level of oxygen. But thankfully, Charlie arrives in the nick of time and helps her with a breathing apparatus. In the aftermath of these events, Charlie asks Olivia about why she did not stop to put on a respirator, to which she responds that she did not recognize the warning sign. Later on, Olivia brings Madeline to the hospital, where Milo is seen interacting with a supercomputer. According to the doctor, the IQ-boosting drug has been in Milo's brain for too long, due to which they are unable to carry out the reversal process. Now, his mind has become so advanced that only machines can comprehend his thoughts. Saddened by this news, Madeline goes inside the room and leaves the toy horse in front of her brother. The same evening, Olivia is at her place when she experiences a vision of Peter, her boyfriend from another universe. He tells her that she does not belong to this universe. In order to back up his claim, he reminds how her lack of knowledge regarding this universe saved her life earlier. According to him, she would have died if she had recognized the warning signs and stopped there. Peter encourages her to try recalling all of her memories and also kisses her before vanishing. Subscribe for more videos like this, turn on notifications, and leave a like to help the channel out. Thank you for watching.